one and only fascinating painting and which is most visited in the world and made whole world think about it is Mona Lisa painting. Hi friends, this is Manjunath and welcome back to my channel. On hearing about Mona Lisa painting, many questions would rise in our mind like whose painting is Mona Lisa? Why her smile changes according to the angle we look at from? Is there any coded message hidden in it? If yes, what it is? Why there is an alien picture in it? And why it was not observed? Likewise, many questions would rise in our mind, but today we are going to get answers based on few proved evidences for these questions. So what is there to wait? Let's get into the video. As we all know, Mona Lisa painting was portrayed by Leonardo da Vinci. He belongs to 14th century and there is no one who can be compared equal to Da Vinci throughout the history. He is a universal genius and extraordinary intelligent person. Many scientists named him as greatest person of all time. But some people also told that he is an alien hybrid, so he has such a knowledge. The last super painting connected to Jesus was also done by Leonardo da Vinci. There is much more to tell about him, but now let's go into our topic. Before going to Mona Lisa, let us know some interesting facts about this painting. Mona Lisa painting was done on wood, not on a paper, and now that type of wood is used in making skateboards. This painting has been done from 1503 to 1519. It means this painting was started on 1503 and ended on 1519 by Da Vinci. But in fact, before this painting finished, Da Vinci passed away. As we thought that Mona Lisa painting is not the size of wall. It's something like 73 centimeter into 53. The name of this painting, Mona Lisa, was a result of a spelling error. The original name of this painting was Monna Lisa, Monnalisa, which means My Lady in Italian. French ruler Napoleon liked this painting very much. That is why he used to hang it in his bedroom. Da Vinci did not paint Mona Lisa's left hand last finger completely. Mona Lisa painting was the most favorite painting of Da Vinci's than all other paintings of him. That is why he could carry this painting wherever he would go till his death. Da Vinci was 51 years old when he started this painting. Since 1797, this Mona Lisa painting was at Louvre Museum in Paris. In August 1911, it was stolen by a thief from there. But exactly after 10 years, it was found back. In 1951, a person thrown rock on this painting. So there is a patch on left elbow of Mona Lisa. Especially for this Mona Lisa painting, this museum had spent 50 crores to establish one climate control room. Now that painting is in a bulletproof glass there. In 1960, this painting estimated around 700 crores. Means now it would cost around 5,300 crores. Okay then, now let's solve the mystery. Who is Mona Lisa? Da Vinci did not mention anything about this in any of his writings. He did not even left a small clue. Then who is she? Firstly, scientists are telling that Da Vinci have imagined Mother Mary for his painting, or he might took his mother face as a model for this painting. Some people say that Mona Lisa is even not a girl and Da Vinci is a homosexual person, so he might drawn his student face named Salai, or it might be a female version of Da Vinci, but none of them are true. If we link few evidences based on this painting, we would get answer, for which we have to go to the past. Model face of Mona Lisa does not match with anyone of that time. Da Vinci's close friend wrote a letter to him, which was found in 2005, but it was written in the year 1503 October. In that it was written that Da Vinci was working on a painting of Francesco del Gioconda, and Gioconda's wife is called Lisa Geraldine. In the remembrance of the occasion of his second son's birth and construction of his own house, Gaikonda asked Da Vinci to make Lisa Geraldine's painting. During that time, the painting on which Da Vinci was working was Mona Lisa. But we cannot tell that this painting was of Lisa Geraldine, because yet the twist is that historians have been telling that facial features of Mona Lisa and Lisa Geraldine are not same. But in the year 2004, scientist named Pascal Cote used the technology of spectral light with high intensity and multi-lens camera. He separated the layers of this painting. Then a fact which surprised the whole world came out. Da Vinci used the paint with 40 micrometers thickness in that painting. That means that the half of the thickness of our human hair. There are 3 layers of painting in that. Shocking fact is that there is another painting under the Mona Lisa painting. And this is that painting. Then who is Mona Lisa? The girl in this painting and Mona Lisa are completely different. Her expression, weaving angle, all are different, and even she don't have a proper smile. But her facial features matched with Lisa Geraldine. May Da Vinci have not been satisfied with Lisa Geraldine face, so he might have modified the painting for his satisfaction. So the model used for this painting is none other than Lisa Geraldine. Is mystery solved? But our imagination is not enough, right? We must cross check it. That is why the grave of Lisa Geraldine has dug up and her skull was being removed, and it is being reconstructing in computer. If facial muscles are added and her face is obtained, we would get the answer. First mystery done. Apart from this, other questions are: what is the technique used by Da Vinci to make changes in smile of Mona Lisa? Da Vinci is master who can even hide codes and messages in his work. Is there any coded message in this painting? If yes, what it is? Why there is an alien picture in this painting? If you all want to know answers for these questions, you have to wait for my next video, which is all about Mona Lisa Mystery Part 2. But till then, stay tuned.